For this Buckeyes recipe, all you need is powdered sugar, margarine, and peanut butter. You'll need 5 cups of powdered sugar, 2 cups of peanut butter, and 1 cup of softened margarine. In a bowl, combine the sugar, peanut butter, and margarine using a mixer. For the chocolate, pour the chocolate chips in a bowl and add at least 2 tablespoons of Crisco. Place it in the microwave for 20-second intervals until the chocolate is melted and has a sheen. Once everything is combined, use a spoon to take small pieces of the dough and form 1-inch balls and place them on parchment paper. Once you have all of the dough formed and using a toothpick, dip the dough ball 2/3 into the chocolate. After all of the dough has been dipped and placed back on the parchment paper, place the pan in the refrigerator until the chocolate is hardened.